What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another box opening at Whirlwind Games. My name's Tim. Sitting directly across from me is...
Hi, John.
That's John. Today, we love gold!
Good!
Packs of Gold Dorado.
Yeah, there we go. How do you read it? There you go.
Yep,
Can you read that?
Got some Dorado coming on today.
I got it.
Okay. We're going to be opening up 2 display boxes of Dorado.
I love me some El Doritos.
We're going to try to go over maybe some of the cards a little bit. But this is mostly just a box opening. 90% of this stuff is reprints. I don't think there's anything new.
Some much
we
needed
will
reprints,
be there's some much needed reprints, such as John's heavily sought after Scrap Chimera.
Oh my god.
Also, we are looking for reprints of Chamber Dragon Maid, Accesscode Talker, Predaplant Verte Anaconda, Pot of Extravagance, and we have some wicked alternate arts in this set for Danger Bigfoot, IP Masquerena, and probably one of the coolest looking ones, Nightmare Unicorn.
And don't forget the Rescue Cat.
And Rescue Cat. Each box of Dorado comes with 4 packs with premium gold. Now, there have been some misprint boxes where the gold rares have been replaced with rares from the Grand Creator set coming out in January.
So they goofed.
They done goofed.
Oh man.
Now, whether or not we're gonna see that, look at this. Looks like some air in these packs.
How many packs? How many cards in here?
Weird.
7.
Yeah, 7 cards per pack. Let's get cracking, man. We'll go over some of the stuff as we see it. A lot of people don't really like the gold rare. I don't mind it. I just don't like that it warps the way it does.
Yeah, especially.
Now that is a sweet rare print.
That's a much needed card.
Look at this. Invocation, the first gold rare.
Oh man, you got an Omega.
And Omega, reprinted as a rare once again.
Oh man.
I mean, this set.
I got a Rose.
Yeah, reprinted as
And
gold
Rose. Numerous number something.
Dolka.
I don't know how you say that.
There's
a lot of words in that.
This is number IC1000.
Yeah.
Numeronius. That's
Say that 10 times fast.
That's a mouthful. I hate it. That card, if you could summon it, we got to figure out a deck to summon that because that's an OTK card.
Oh yeah.
That card's stupid. Prank Kids stuff. There's a lot of prank, like almost the entire Prank Kids core got redone.
Okay.
What we got?
So the gold rares aren't really in the same.
Yeah,
spot.
no, they're in different places. Looks like you got the alternate art for Moonlit.
Yeah, Moonlit Chill.
Yeah,
Ghost
let's
Warner.
show everyone there. That's a nice art.
Yeah, that's pretty hot.
I got a Rose as well, and a gold rare copy of Twin Twisters. We keep getting reprints of Twin Twisters. Not too sure why.
Broken Line. Oh, I got a Raigeki. I do like the art for the Raigeki. The gold around the red, it's hot. Speaking of
the
hot,
gold around the lightning's really nice.
hot red dragon.
Oh yeah, Bane.
And some boots.
Yeah, we got. Altergeist stuff. In the gold rare sets and these sets, I'm almost more excited for just the rares than I am the gold rares.
I want that Omega. I need the Panda too.
Eldlixir stuff, Altergeist stuff, Trishula.
Pulled it.
Alt Art Unicorn, baby.
That's
there
what I
it
wanted.
is. Yeah, dude, that is a beautiful card.
Oh man.
Beautiful. Hey, Scrap Dragon.
Hey, there you go.
John building the scrap deck. I don't know if he's got a Scrap Dragon or not.
I do, but I need a rarity upgrade.
Oh, regular art unicorn.
Oh, bud. Feels bad.
I feel like I just failed on the Price is Right.
I got an access code.
Oh boy, what a pack.
Man,
What a pack! We pulled an access code. Oh, we need to get you some sleeves, man.
what a box so far.
What a...
Oh, and an upstart goblin.
Hey, here's some sleeves.
Kagebucha Knight. Oh, this is like a
That's a heck of a pack.
like that one was like a $5 card as a common.
Yeah.
Upstart goblin was good.
What a pack. What a pack.
Man,
Yeah, I think it's a perfect fit.
I got an access code talker now.
There you go.
That's pretty hot.
Ancient Gear Fusion. Oh, baby!
Now you got the blue eyes.
Blue Eyes White Dragon. If you're at all familiar with the Blue Eyes from the last gold set, incredibly sought after. The only problem is, like, these cards damage real easy.
Dude, we've seen like
That actually doesn't look bad.
we've seen the gold part just
Completely ripped off.
off or get stuck in the sleeve.
That actually looks really good. It may not be the most sought after card, but
That's your favorite.
I'm a Blue Eyes player. Love seeing this art getting a reprint. Doesn't get enough love, I don't think.
Everybody likes to trash on blue eyes.
I love Blue Eyes.
Man, look at that
Super
though.
Dreadnought,
Access code.
Express, Exodia,
Oh man, you got the Exodia.
Obliterate, baby. Yeah. Honestly, not as exciting as the access code and the alt art but I mean, you know what? I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I'm gonna say that's one of the best printings of Exodia.
Yeah.
That
Now, do you get the other pieces
looks
in the set, or is it just
really
the head?
good. You know, I'm not sure if the other pieces are in this. It matches really well because Exodia has that theme going on with the gold and
I got a Starlight Road.
Starlight Road.
Isn't that a Blue Eyes card? No, Stardust.
That's a Stardust card.
Prank Kids. Meow Meow. Oh, Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Juggernaut Libre.
Yeah, I got one of him. Lieb.
Or Lieb? Lieb.
Yeah.
Oh, number C1000 Numeros.
There we go.
And then Strike Dragon.
There we go. I've got an Invocation too. I didn't put actually. This is actually a pretty good reprint. I don't like the look of it, but that's still not a bad reprint.
So
That's gonna be it for the.
it's been that was a banger of a box, man.
Yeah.
Like,
Shoot, man.
you know, all I need now is a Chimera and a couple rescue cats.
Dolka got an extra Dolka for the Dino deck too. I haven't gone out of my way to purchase any extra Dolkas.
Dolkas. Isn't all like the Dino Core in this set too?
Yeah, the entire Dino Core. Well, most of it's been reprinted for this set. Go to the next box.
Yeah, let's go. Let me clean up my my shiny cardboard. There we go.
I may actually.
I think they like walking in strokes. There we go. Dude, I'm gonna have to take trash out so much today.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot of this stuff open here at the shop today.
So here we go.
Let's go, second box. I think you got away with the better box on that one.
I mean, honestly, if you pull an access code, is there really anything beating that?
Starlight Road, Dyson Sphere, Elixir, and Neverendless. Oh hey, here's a good reprint for those Dragon Maid players. Reprinted in rare, Hospitality.
I got a Numeron Storm.
That was previously just a super rare.
Book of Moon. Damaged. Book of Moon.
Damaged.
Yeah, look at that. Top of the card.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Man.
The damage up here.
See, that gold foiling is just... But I mean, it's Book of Moon. It's like $1 card. Oh! I got a Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon. Is that the...
Hey, there you go. I wonder if it's errated. It's the old art. Yep.
Oh, speaking of dino stuff,
It's got the old art, but it's got the errata.
The new text.
Oh, hey.
You got the kitty.
Rescue cat.
I got a soul-eating oviraptor. Speaking of dino stuff earlier.
Rescue cat.
Oh, man.
And Evolzar Lagia. And Signet Mining, printed as a rare. Oh, how the mighty have fallen.
How much was that card before?
Dude, I sold my secret rares for 35 each back in the day.
Oh, I got a Rocket Tracer. Oh, there's my Lambda I needed.
Hey, Rocket Tracer.
Hey. There's another one of those.
Okay. And Tempest, Dragon Ruler of Storms. Waiting for the other Dragon Rulers to come back. I think they're probably good to come back now, and more Prank Kid stuff. Once again, I'm pretty sure most of the Prank Kids are in here.
I think they reprinted the whole core.
If not, close to it.
I'm really excited about the Lambda.
Let's go. Lost World. Hey, here we go.
Oh, there's the Omega to go with it.
Golden Land, Starlight Road, Baby Sarasaurus.
Oh, fossil
Good
dig.
reprint.
There it is.
Oh, man.
There it is.
Lagia up. Got the Chimera.
And another one of those cards. Oh, I read. Summon limit.
I want to sleep, kitty.
Yeah, you want to sleep, kitty.
Sleep, cat.
I don't think I'm going to sleep on this stuff. Maybe the middle. The red eye is darkness middle.
Also, apologize ahead of time. We do have some construction going on next door. If y'all hear a jackhammer going like right now, that's kind of out of our control.
Yep.
All right, next box. Let's move. Whew.
Dude, I'm so happy.
So, do you run one of Chimera?
I'm gonna run 2 now. Bryce gave me his that he found.
Well, I mean, how many do you want to run?
Oh, 2.
Okay. It's not a 3 of?
No. Because it's search. You search it with Scrap Raptor.
Okay.
And then, like... So, like, when you use Scrap Raptor's effect to destroy itself, you get an extra normal summon.
Gotcha.
And then whenever it's destroyed, you can search for a scrap card.
Elixir. Altergeist Kunkuri. Pre-Math Tech. Mathmech. El Dorado. And another Sky Striker Rose.
Lagia and Array. Sky Strikers. Here we go. Now, is it just the effect monsters? Not the... Did we get any?
I don't think we got any of the spell cards.
Or the Link monsters?
I don't think we got any of the Link monsters either. I think we just got the Authorized Kunquery, Numeron Gate, Code Talker, the Weather Snow Canvas, Scrap Chimera.
There we go.
And number CI 1000, Numeronia.
I got the Trishula,
Dragon the Ice Barrier.
Yep. And then Scrap Dragon, Deep Sea Diva. Ooh. Lena. The Light Possessed one.
Yeah.
Neato.
Mirage. Make Verte!
Oh, man.
Verte. There
Hey,
we go.
Summon Verte. People scoop. Just in the thought of
Normal
Dragon.
Rescue Cat.
I mean, you got 2 of them.
Not what I want to see. I need an access code.
Metal Dragon. Eldritch, the Mad Golden Lord.
I need an access code as well.
Eldritch, the Golden Lord.
Is that that's the alt art? Dude,
Yeah.
he looks so cool.
Oh man, I'm happy about that one.
He was printed in the last gold set, just with his original art.
Okay, I got the fusion of him,
Yeah.
so maybe I could run just the Eldritch deck with Zombie World.
Yeah.
Make everybody mad.
There you go.
Everybody sides in their Cosmic Cyclones to get rid of Zombie World.
Scrap Wyvern. Fossil Dyna. So somebody dropped this on somebody in the tournament yesterday.
Prank Kid's Place. And
Dragon.
Invoked Mechaba.
Tinky. Well,
Oh, Tinky got a reprint too?
yep, sure did.
Damn.
So far, pulls are okay.
Man,
We've
that was a great box for you.
We've gotten it's all right. We got a Verte.
You got Verte, 2 Rescue Cats.
Yeah, I mean those are all right, but I mean where the money's not in that. Right now we're really looking for. I mean the Vertes. We haven't seen the IP Masquerena yet. Pot of Extravagance.
We got 2 more boxes. Well, 4 more.
We still got 2 more boxes each there.
What's that access code going for right now? 50?
Accesscodes going right now. They're pre-ordering at 50, I think.
Okay.
Verte's not too far behind it.
There it is. I do like these boxes. I like the boxes so much better than the tins.
I don't know. I like the tins.
The tins are cool when you get one.
The tins you can reuse.
Yeah, but when you're like opening a crap ton of them and you're just left with all these tins and you don't know what to do with them all.
I gave them to a guy that likes sorting like nails and stuff like that, and I gave him my case of tins.
There you go.
Make Verte!
Oh, you got another one. Oh, I got the driver. Mystic Mind.
Oh God.
Golden Mystic Mind.
Cyber's Gadget. I'm not sure if I know what Cyber's Gadget is.
Oh man. Everybody hates that card. Let's just be honest. Oh, here's the Golden Gamma.
Weather Painter.
With the driver. Oh, look at that's just a Psy-Frame pack.
Yeah. I got an Omega.
I got a Hospitality.
We're gonna build some prank kids. Build some prank kids. Let's get another sleeve on this Verte here. That Verte's in good condition though. Let's go a little spot on the side. Nothing big with
Poltergeist. Oh, another one.
Get the toxic packs.
I did.
Multi-faker.
Weather Painter Snow.
Fossil Dyna again.
Prank Kids. Hot
Code
Dragon.
Talker and Ray. Signet Mining.
I mean, it's good that we got another Gamma reprint, though.
Yeah, I guess. All Mirage. I like these All Mirages, man. We got a bunch of them already.
Oh, I got another Mad King.
Primat.
Ooh, Phantom Knights, the Break Sword.
Oh, they reprint Break Sword?
Yep. Oh, there's another Gamma. And a
Ooh,
Torrential Tribute.
this is an alt art. I didn't realize we got Black Rose Dragon.
Yeah, look at that.
Huh. Look at that.
What's she going for now?
I don't know.
No,
She's not on the front page of the TCG player stuff, but you know what? I like this.
Man, I mean, if it's not on there, it's $1,000.
I mean, I
right?
run a Black Rose Dragon and well, I can run Black Rose Dragon and Blue Eyes. I've got one on my side.
Oh yeah.
Like
Well,
this.
now
Well,
you
a
got
lot of people like to do the Moonlight Dragon though.
Ooh, I was giving everything away there.
Did you just pull 3 Mystic Mines
Yeah, I did.
out of one box?
Numeron Storm. God, I'm glad I got that box out of circulation. That was cancer.
We don't need our player base getting a hold of this. Lost
That is a
World.
cancer box.
Hey, Fossil Dig! I need a couple of those to put back into my deck.
There you go. Yeah,
Somebody took mine. Conquistador of the Golden Land.
there you go.
And another Tempest. Seer Hakuero of Golden Land and Altergeist Marionetter.
All right, so what are we looking for now? IP.
We need more access codes. We need that IP alternate art, man.
Extravagance would be hot.
Extravagance is nice. We got a couple of those lying around though.
Man, I can't.
We're down to our last box.
All right, fine. Yeah, you win this time, Tim.
Throw my packs in that box this time.
There we go. What are we looking at for time here? Alright, we got a little bit.
Alright, let's get to opening. Need another access code.
Are you kidding me right now? Got another Mystic Mine.
Trishula, Fossil Dig, Soul Eating Oviraptor, and Zeta. Hadn't seen a Zeta yet. Exodia.
Just pulled an Exodia.
Yeah, sorry.
And Jackhammers start again.
Yeah. Red Dragon, Archfiend of the Abyss. I'm not too sure how I feel about that, getting that reprint.
Oh, another. We got a Rocket.
Oh boy, the Dark Magician.
There you go.
And Book of Moon.
Hey Tim.
Chamber.
There you go.
Yeah. She's still expensive.
Giant Rex got a reprint too. I think this is the first reprint of it.
Nah, it's been printed in a couple things.
What was the one dragon card that got reprinted that needed one? I can't remember.
The Dark Magician. I like this art.
Hey, it can go right next to the other one that you own. From last year. Was it last year?
Yeah, last gold rare. Nice. Also, we need the alt art for Red Eyes.
Ooh, I got a Weather Painter Rainbow. It's neato. Number 9.
Ho-ho! Access code!
There you go. You got
Talker! Woo!
I got a mystical dimension.
Although probably in the damaged category. Nah, it's a mod play. Doesn't matter. It's got some ruffling across the top.
Ooh,
yeah.
Looks bad.
Still, I mean, that's not a good art. I'm not gonna lie, this does not look good. I hate this in gold rare. This looks awful. Rescue cat.
Man, you got a playset.
Got a playset of rescue cats.
I didn't get a single one. I'll trade you.
You can have them.
Gold.
This needs a sleeve.
Gold Sark.
Gold Sark.
And we got
what we need. Got what we
Eldritch,
came for.
the Golden Lord.
I think we got what we came for, man. Last pack for me.
Yeah, that's it for me. I just finished.
I was too busy looking at the access code and sleeving a couple cards. You were too busy Mystic Mind locking yourself.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ultimaya Zolkin. That's a good reprint. And Fossil Dino. Bless it.
Gotta love them dinos.
I mean, that's
do they even play that in
it's
dinos?
a card. No, we don't. It's not a dino. It's a rock. Oh, boo!
Did you get Mystic Mine?
Got Danger Bigfoot, but it's not the alternate art for Danger Bigfoot.
Lame.
The alternate art for Danger Bigfoot is the Abominable Snowman.
Right, the Yeti.
We
want the Yeti.
We want the Yeti. We want the Yeti.
Oh. Now there's sirens going on.
I got sirens because the guy with the jackhammer probably hit himself. Well, let's see what we got here, man. Let's line this up.
Okay.
Well, let's go ahead and just put those down there, man. Two access code.
And then the... Is it like this or like this?
Check it out, guys. That's a good looking card.
Man, that's going straight in my deck.
Who's writing it? Is that... Oh, that's Idley. Or Idley. The Rockstar lady. If you've not seen that card, I've got a copy of it. I'll show it to you.
Okay.
That's Nightmare Incarnation Idley.
Oh, neat. No idea, but cool.
That's who that is. Zach used to drop that card on me all the time. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in. This has been another pack opening with Whirlwind Games. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, we do We do stream our locals at twitch.tv/whirlwindgames.
Every Wednesday and Saturday.
Wednesday and Saturday, starting at 6 p.m. until we're done. We will be doing special streams every once in a while whenever we do run events, which are coming up. But until next time, bye.
Yeah.